Right, I've gotten this bike in and it's just come back from having the top end rebuilt and it will not start. So I've done a little bit of investigating. It's got a spark. Whether you can see that. But when you kickstart it, it backfires. So I've done a bit of investigating on everything, and it's as though the timing's out. I'll add some pictures, but the timing is exact. The time on the timing chain. So I think it could be the CDI box sparking at the wrong time. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get a new CDI box and I'm going to hotwire it with a different CDI box and see if we can get it sparking at the right time. And if it fires up then we know it's the CDI box what's at fault. So I'll get back to you on the CDI box. Right, let's see if she fires up. Knock the choke off. I've got a water leak. Oh, where's that coming from? I best switch it off and have a check. Right lads, this is the problem why it wouldn't fire up. That green and white, and the white was the wrong way around. that green and white was where the white was going against the black and the yellow. So I depinned them, swapped them over so they were matching, and it fired straight, well, not straight up, but you know what I mean. And now I'm stripping it back down again because it's got a water leak. So it looks like it's coming from the front of the head where there's a blank. So I need to have a look what's wrong with that. Right, everybody, this video is come to the end for this one, and this bike has kicked my ass from start to finish. I bought it as a non-runner. All the top end was damaged on it. So I checked all the bottom end. Everything was fine with the bottom end. Had the next model up cylinder because it had the temperature sensor on the back. Bought a brand new head from Kawasaki at Japan, had that shipped in, got hit with import duties, so it didn't make it any cheaper than buying it in this country. It had new timing chain, new guides, new piston, new rings. Timed it all up, couldn't get it to start, just backfiring. Checked all the timing again, everything was perfect. So I put it down to the carb, and I'm no good with carbs, me, so I sent the carb away to an engine builder. He rebuilt all the carb, found a couple of faults in the carb, rebuilt it, got it back, bike was still wouldn't start, just backfiring. So this has gone on for 6 months to a year. I had all the graphics put on it, had all the handlebar guards, the exhaust guard, everything put on it. Excellent bike, and it turned out to be that I just found it by accident is that this wire that comes out the stator goes up to a multi-plug up here, which you'll see on the video earlier. Them two wires round the wrong way. Put them wires back in, deep in the plug, put them back in, it fired up, which you saw in the video. Then it had a water leak and an oil leak. The water leak was the radiator cap. I got one of them Chinese radiator caps with the temperature gauge in the top. Well, believe me, they're no good. So if you can get the original radiator caps, always get original. Oil leak was a little plug in the front of the head which didn't have a seal in it, which I thought was unusual when I put it together. So I took it out, put a seal in it. That solved that. Pull the choke on now, couple of kicks and it fires up. So I need to take it out for a run and maybe need to check the mixture. As I say, I don't know what it's running like. It runs sweet as a nut now, but I don't know what it's like when we take it for a run. But other than that, that's this one finished. So thanks for watching. I don't know whether you want to see the next project, which I've already done and that's sorted out, which is that, the Yamaha jet ski. So trouble is I haven't made any videos on this. I've rebuilt the engine and it runs sweet, but I've never had it on the water yet. So that's the next one, get it on the water, get it all set up. So thanks for watching, like and subscribe.